right there.
You throw like a girl, Corinne. So does she. It's all good. I'm untouchable. That was beautiful. Come on, Jay. See what you got, pitcher. What do you pitch? Minor leagues? Come on, Miss Phillies. Let's go. There's nothing better than an oversized whip man. Come on, Lauren. Pitch with your right hand. I want a challenge. Come on, Cliff Lee. Let's see if you still got it. I'm falling asleep. Come on now. Come on, sissy. Let's go.